So what's up everybody, it's Cheese Man. Today I need y'all's help on naming my cat here. I just can't think of a name. She needs a name. I just can't think of one. I've been thinking and thinking and thinking and it just won't pop up in my head. Can't think of one that I like. And she's lazy. Laying here just purring my head off. Stuffed under my beard. This cat does nothing. Absolutely nothing. Well, it's purring, but she don't do nothing. Besides lay here with me or on my bed and scratch me. That's it. Oh, now she's trying to comb my beard for me. Now she's chewing on it. Oh, what you gonna get and say hi to the camera? Go ahead, wave. Wave hi to everybody. Wait, she might do something. All up in my face, giving me a dirty look. Look at the camera. Hey, no, the camera's up here. Oh, well, there she went. Wait. Come here. And she's back. Look, got up for 5 seconds and right back down. She's plain lazy. Now bite me because I'm rubbing her belly. So if y'all can think of any female cat names, let me know in the comments and all that. So like, comment, share and all that, and don't forget, life ain't easy being cheesy. And now it's gonna be worse because it's gonna be some hairy cheese with this cat around.